step into the Kia 2017 Sportage EX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are X Premium Package, X Technology Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM with navigation, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.